Hi, I'm Chris Bryce from superservice.com. I'd like to talk to you about how to quit a frozen PC application. There's a couple of different ways to do this, and they're both fairly easy to do. In Windows Vista, if you have a program that's not responding or that freezes up, if you'll simply go to the red X in the upper right-hand corner to try to close the program, it will normally, 80% of the time, pop up a box that tells you the program's not responding and asks you if you would like to go ahead and close it. This is the easiest way to quit a program that's not running properly in Windows Vista. You can just tell it, yes, go ahead and quit the program. And that works 80% of the time. In Windows XP or previous versions of Windows, you can simply hit on the keyboard the Control, Alt, and Delete keys. Just tapping them once altogether will bring up a box that allows you to pull up Task Manager. Now, Task Manager will give a listing of all the processes that are running and the applications that are running. If there's one that's not responding, it will normally say in parentheses that the program is not responding. You simply select that program or application and tell it to end that task. It'll ask you if you're sure normally to end that task. You say yes, and that's it. You've quit the application. So those are the main ways to quit applications on your computer that have frozen up.